This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. If you're hearing this message, it means you are within the affected zone. This is an emergency alert regarding a situation that defies explanation. Reports are flooding in about a mysterious phenomenon causing widespread paralysis in our community. It's not a virus, not a bacteria, but an enigma beyond our understanding. Those who have succumbed to this affliction describe an otherworldly encounter, an eerie presence that lingers before the paralysis sets in. It's a chilling tale that seems straight out of a nightmare, and yet, it's our grim reality. We urge you to take immediate action. This is not just a physical threat, it's a threat to your very essence. Follow these instructions to increase your chances of survival. First, barricade yourself. Secure your location. Lock all doors and windows. Create barriers using furniture. Do not let anyone in until the situation is fully understood. Second, stay silent. The entity seems to be drawn to sound. Stay as quiet as possible. Avoid unnecessary communication. Listen closely for any unnatural sounds. They may be the harbinger of the impending presence. Third, conserve resources. Power down electronic devices. Save your energy. We don't know the extent of this phenomenon, and resources may become scarce. And last, watch the Keep an eye on the shadows. The entity is said to manifest as a dark, amorphous figure. If you see movement in the shadows, stay hidden. We're in uncharted territory, and our only hope lies in collective vigilance. The boundary between reality and the paranormal has eroded. Stay tuned to this frequency for updates.